Hi everyone, welcome to my channel.
Feeling more alive as it's green everywhere.
I'm in West Bengal and there's this small village. I've come here to take a break from the city.
People usually grow fruits and veggies in their home garden. Some fruits like this one I have never seen anywhere else. One can see variety of hibiscus plant, which is one of the most popular flowering plants here. Flowers are must in the garden as it's used in everyday puja.
It's so refreshing. I want to breathe and take it all in.
You will see Tulsi Mandir at every entrance. People are extremely religious here. It's so breezy now. Look at the bamboo trees dancing. I just don't want to leave this beautiful place. I wish I could stay here for long.